What we're going to do is we're going to work on taking care of what we call the dural torque. So she's got torque going on in her lower back and in her neck area, and primarily we're going to address the sacrum and occiput. Once that locks, it affects cerebrospinal fluid going up and down the spine and into the brain area, and that is what can cause everything to lock up. So this boot mechanism or pump that we call is at the lower part of that SI joint. It gets locked due to organ-referred spasm and referred reflexes from organs that can cause torque and pulling, and can lock up that natural mechanism which allows for cerebrospinal fluid to go up and down the brain. Very nice. What that's going to do is that's going to allow this mechanism to unlock. So this is going to stabilize this part of the sacrum, and then this area here is going to free up. As that frees up, I'm going to be able to open up and just assist that natural pump mechanism for the lower back. Then we could work the sacrum and then address the organ that's involved with the subluxation or the misalignment, that nerve pressure, that nerve irritation. We can address that particular organ today. Breathe out, cough. Yeah, so yeah, it's an SB minus. So what it is the sacrum is going this way. Yeah, and then pull, I'm pushing down on the sacrum, just gradual pressure. So we're pushing up, I'm gonna put the whole breathing in, breathing all the way to that area right here. And then we're gonna have you take a nice breath in and pull with your right arm. Pull, breathe all the way out. And here, the rotation. Here we're going to pump that area to assist for cerebrospinal fluid and get around that C4 area. That tender right there?
Yes.
So we're going to just hold that there. Here we go. Starts to loosen up right there. You feel that? Mm-hmm. That's not as bad. Misalignments that affect the nerves that control the blood flow to that area. We're going to adjust that. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Good. And then on inhales, when we give it a nice, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. So now we're doing a muscle test. So we're going to see whether the problem is more colon or the problem is more liver. So I'm going to come in here, and your arm's doing good. I want you to stand up for me, and I want you to walk a little bit, see how that feels.
I'm not walking as heavy. It's light walking.
Right. Yeah, good.
I can stand straight now. Good.
Good. Turn around.
Thank you, doctor.
She's doing great.